Now to those creepy clown threats. A woman claims she was attacked by a man in a clown suit just this morning who then threatened to hurt students and staff at Reading schools. Well, that prompted the district to shut down today. Not on your side, TJ Parker joins us live in Reading with the details on this investigation. TJ?
Well, Julie, school administrators decided to cancel classes at all Reading schools today, but we are learning that homecoming activities scheduled for tonight and tomorrow are still going on as planned. There will just be extra police presence at tonight's football game as well as the homecoming dance tomorrow. Now, this attack happened overnight at South Terrace Apartments off of Reading Road. The victim told police she was sitting outside when a man in a striped suit, red wig, and white clown mask came up to her and grabbed her throat. That's when he threatened students and staff at Reading schools, which prompted school officials to cancel class today. Class at Mount Notre Dame High School was also canceled. The victim, by the way, was taken to the hospital and released. We spoke with a Reading High School parent today about this threat.
They told us the clown thing was going on. Parents were being told they wanted to just make sure everything was going okay, and hopefully everything be back up and go Monday morning.
Now, as far as we know, police have no suspects in mind. And again, homecoming activities tonight and tomorrow are still going on as scheduled with just added police presence. We're live in Reading. I'm TJ Parker, 9 on your side.